This Southwest Realty property video is presented by David Apodaca. Welcome to 1044 Grace Court. Pride of ownership shows in this like new ready to move in home with an open floor plan. The interior features designer finishes in the kitchen and baths. Enjoy the large living room on the lower level and the spacious loft on the upper level. The master suite is on the lower level separate from the secondary bedrooms upstairs. One is a second master suite with full bath. The roomy bedrooms feature large walk-in closets with an organizer system layout. Plus, there is ample additional storage throughout the home. All this on an extra large lot, 0.42 acres. The private landscaped backyard provides room for gardening and all your toys. Backyard access is possible. And, a hot tub is ready to relax in. Enjoy the fruits of many trees, 2 peach, 2 pear, and 2 apple. For more information, review